Here's problem 27. How much heat in kilocalories must be removed to make ice at minus 10 degrees Celsius from 2 kilograms of water at 20 degrees Celsius? The specific heat of ice is 0.5 calories per gram per degree Celsius. So we want to find out how much heat we need to remove in order to take these 2 kilograms of water and freeze it down to minus 10 degrees Celsius. That would be the same as if we were to heat up ice at minus 10 degrees Celsius into water at 20 degrees Celsius. It would be the same amount of heat. So it's an easier problem to think about it that way. So we're going to change the problem and say it will be the same amount of heat needed to heat ice up from the minus 10 degrees Celsius. If we think of the problem that way, then the heat would be equal to the mass of the ice times the specific heat of ice times the change in temperature of the ice. And then we go through a phase change, would be the mass of the ice times the latent heat of fusion. And then we'll have a heating up the water, the resultant water, which will still be in terms of the mass of the ice, specific heat of water times the change in temperature of the water up to 20 degrees Celsius. We have 2 kilograms, so we have 2,000 grams. The specific heat of ice is half that of water, so we have 0.5. And we're going to heat up the ice 10 degrees from minus 10 to a final temperature of 0. We still have 2,000 grams of ice. We're going through a phase change, which is 80 calories per gram. And then we're going to heat up the resultant water, 2,000 kilograms of it. Specific heat of water is 1, and we're going to heat it up 20 degrees. So at final temperature 20, initial temperature 0, change in temperature 20 degrees. So we have 2,000 times 5 plus 80 plus 20. 2,000 times 105. That gives us 210,000 calories, which we could write as 210 kilocalories. That is the amount of heat that would be required to heat up ice, 2 kilograms of ice at minus 10 degrees Celsius through a phase change up to 20 degrees Celsius as water, and hence that would also be the heat that we would need to remove from water at 20 degrees Celsius to make the same amount of ice at minus 10 degrees Celsius. 210 kilocalories of heat.